Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should begin by securing the essentials: a quiet space and a stable mic placement. Move furniture or hang blankets to tame reflections, and position the mic about 6-12 inches from your mouth, slightly off-axis to avoid plosives. Once set, open your recording app and choose 44, 1 or 48 kHz and 24-bit depth. These settings balance quality and file size. Make a short test take to check levels. Speak at performance volume and aim for peaks around -6 dB to leave headroom. Now focus on consistent delivery and source control. Use a pop filter and shock mount to catch plosives and handling noise. This prevents extra work later. Monitor through closed-back headphones to hear exactly what's being captured, and adjust preamp gain so the waveform stays below clipping. No red meters. Speak intakes with intentional pacing, and if you need slight smoothing, apply very gentle compression and corrective EQ while recording only when you know they help. Otherwise, leave processing to post. Finish by critically reviewing your best takes and trimming breaths or awkward noises. Make sure levels are consistent across clips, normalize or manually match volumes if needed, and export masters as WAV for highest fidelity, plus a high bitrate MP3 for distribution. Save backups and label files clearly. If you encounter persistent problems like hum, distortion, or weird room tone, systematically check cables, interface settings, drivers, and then the room itself. Replace faulty cable, update drivers, or add acoustic treatment to solve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.